It's time for another muffin tin recipe, and I'm making caprese pastry bites. Let's do it. Spray those cups. I'm just using phyllo dough, and I'm cutting out some squares and placing in those cups. Add a fresh mozzarella pearl. I cut up some cherry tomato to put inside. And I got a jar of pesto. I'm gonna add a dab in each cup. I'm gonna cook it at 375 for about 8 minutes. Caprese bites, now they are kind of crispy, and phyllo has those layers. It might have been easier to do this with a crescent rolled dough, but still wanna give it a try. But the taste is great. I'll give it a 7.2 out of 10. Did you hear about the actor that fell through the floorboards? He was going through a stage.